The heart has 4 characteristics. Number 1, it is the center of attention of Allah Azza wa Jal. Number 2, the heart is constantly flipping. Number 3, it is the target of the fitan. And number 4, the a'mal are favored and more rewarded according to how much of that was coming from the heart. Now the main question comes, and that is, do I have a qalb salīm? Do I have a qalb salīm? There are signs of the qalb salīm. Inshallah, just because it's a weekday, we'll take maybe 1 or maybe 2. The first and main characteristic of the qalb salīm is that this qalb does not like at all what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like. This qalb hates anything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden. This qalb hates shirk, hates riya, hates hasad, envy, hates ujub, being conceited, hating others. This qalb, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, listen to this hadith, it will clarify. And subhanallah, a man came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he said, "Man afdalin nas?" Wow, what a question. Who is the best of mankind? Yani what kind of characteristic that person have? He said, "Makhmoom al-qalb, saduq al-lisan." Makhmoom al-qalb, saduq al-lisan. They said, "Ya Rasulullah, saduq al-lisan is easy. We know he always truthful. But what does this makhmoom al-qalb mean?" This word makhmoom is not common in the Arabic language. His qalb is makhmoom. He said, "القلب التقي النقي الذي لا إثم فيه ولا غل ولا بغي ولا حسد." It is the heart that is pure and clean and has no hatred in it, no rancor, no malice, no envy, no jealousy, no dhulm, nothing in it. This is the qalb al-makhmoom, and the owner of these 2 characteristics is the best of people. Afdalin nas, truthful, and he has a pure heart. In another hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, "Inna lillahi fil ardi aniyah." Allah has vessels on earth. These vessels are the qulub of ibadihi salihin, are the hearts of his righteous servants. وَأَحَبُّهَا إِلَيْهِ أَلْيَنَهَا وَأَرَقَّهَا. And the most beloved of these vessels, the most beloved of these hearts to Allah are the most, or the softest and the most tender. The softness will make you know the haqq, and the tenderness will make you treat the khalq with rahmah. Subhanallah. So the first characteristic of the pure qalb al-salim is that person does not hate the people who are committing the sins. He hates the sin itself, and he makes dua for the people who are committing the sin. And if somebody was advised and persists on the sin, then he starts hating the person who is committing the sin. If somebody, this guy, you will not find him among the zalimin. He will not be around people who are oppressors. He will not be one of those around the presidents that are oppressing their people. You will not find him there. His heart cannot accept. His heart cannot accept oppression being done in front of his eyes without him doing anything. This qalb has sickness for sure in it. If he is able to be around people who are zalimeen and does not feel anything, this heart is definitely sick, and it's on the path to be dead. It's on the path to also be dead.